If the red light deviates right or left, please adjust settings to center it. Enter the settings interface. Input the password and find 0 calibration. Observe which direction the red light deviates. Red light deviates left gives increase the value. Red light deviates right gives decrease the value. Each time you adjust the parameters. If the red light deviates up or down, please adjust according to the following steps. Remove the nozzle. Apply masking tape. And observe the position of the red light. If the red light is off-center, please loosen this screw and use masking tape to gently remove the cover. Tighten the upper screw gives red light moves down. Tighten the lower screw gives red light moves up. For examples, this red light is high, so we tighten the upper screw to lower it. If the red light is low, adjust the lower screw to raise it. Tighten the red light to the center position, then peel off the masking tape. Install the nozzle and apply masking tape again. Then, check the red light position again. Once centered, remove the masking tape. Reinstall the cover and screws. The adjustment is complete.